There's still so much that's left to say. There's still so much that's left to do. I'm sorry that it's been this way, but I'll stand with you. We've heard it all for years and years. The people crying out for truth, and it's been falling on their fears, but I'll stand with you. And as statutes fall down at our feet, I'll walk towards love and unity, not just today, but forever. We'll run from wrong to do what's right. We'll turn your lives into our fight, not just today, but forever. Forever. I hope you know you're not alone. I hope you know my home's your home. I'm well aware the work is hard, but it's not done, so we'll stand with you. And as statutes fall down at our feet, we'll walk towards love and unity, not just today, but forever. We'll run from wrong to do what's right. We'll turn your lives into our fight. I hope and pray it won't take forever. And as statutes fall down at our feet, we'll fight towards love and unity, not just today, but forever. We'll run from wrong to do what's right. We'll turn your lives into our fight. I hope and pray this won't last forever.